So hello future millionaires, welcome to Financing channel, and in this video we're gonna discuss about dropshipping. As we are viewing that lots of people are becoming millionaire and even billionaire by starting their online store as in dropshipping. So in this video we're gonna discuss about dropshipping meaning, how does dropshipping works, example of dropshipping, benefits of dropshipping and cons of dropshipping, the supply chain of dropshipping, how does dropshipping works, and at the last we will discuss about best dropshipping app in which we're gonna start our first online store and become a millionaire. So firstly let's start from dropshipping meaning. So what does dropshipping means? So dropshipping is an e-commerce retail model that allows stores to sell product without keeping any physical inventory. In dropshipping, the retailer sells the product to the customer, then passes on the sales order to a third-party supplier, who then ships the order directly to the customer on the behalf of the retailers. So guys, dropshipping seller do not need to invest any product inventory, warehouse or storage space, and do not handle fulfillment process. Due to low overhead, entry cost and simplicity of starting a dropshipping business, it has become a popular and convenient business model for e-commerce retail store with easy steps and very low risks. So now we're going to discuss about how does dropshipping works. Dropshipping works through third-party supplier who manufacture product on a just-in-time basis for each other. So now we're gonna discuss about example of dropshipping. So guys, let's imagine you have an online store where you sell dog products. As a dropshipper, you don't need to buy hundred or thousand of collars or leases in advance and store them in a rented warehouse or your garage until you make a sale. Instead, you find a third party vendor who has the warehouse space to stock your item. Once a customer purchases from your supplier, there can be many of them, takes over the process and ships the product directly to your customer. You never need to deal with logistics. So guys, let's discuss about the pros and cons of dropshipping business. So firstly, we're going to discuss about benefits of dropshipping. It's very easy to get started with dropshipping. Once you have find a quality product, you can launch your first dropshipping store in a couple of hours. Shopify makes the process very straightforward. Sure, you will need keep improving your store once you see how your visitor behave on it, but it's very easy to get things going. Since you don't have to pre-purchase inventory, you can conveniently test new products ideas. Guys, you don't need a big investment to start selling on dropshipping. With dropshipping, you don't need have to into your saving to launch your online store. The business model does not require you to buy products upfront and you don't need to invest inventory or rent a space to store your product. Third, someone else take care of shipping for you. One of the key benefit of dropshipping is that you don't have to worry about storing and shipping your inventory. You can be in a retail business without ever touching the item you are selling. You are Your third party supplier takes care of the order the moment your customers buys a product from you. Fourth, it's easy to scale your dropshipping business. Fifth, you can sell anywhere you like. Sixth, you can delegate most of your work to app. 7. Dropshipping let you to be your own boss. So after benefits, let's discuss about the cons of the dropshipping business. So first con is shipping can get little complicated. Second, little control over branding and product quality. Third, customer support can be a hassle. So now we're gonna discuss about the supply chain, how dropshipping works. So firstly, your customer places an order from your online store. Secondly, your store automatically sends the order to your dropshipping supplier. Third, your dropshipping supplier prepare your customer order. Fourth, your dropshipping supplier ships the order directly to your customer, and your customer will give you feedback, and that's how the process ends. So guys, and now let's discuss about the last thing, the best dropshipping app where we can start our first online store and become a dropshipping millionaire. So first is Shopify. We can choose Shopify as our online e-commerce platform where we can sell the products. And secondly, Dukan app. And in our previous video, we have discussed about full Dukan app, that how we can start our first online store in Dukan app and how does it works and how we can earn money from it. So guys, if you haven't checked out the video, then please check out it, and hope so you like this video. Thank you. Subscribe our channel.